Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I just made a big cup of coffee, and I was thinking about today's topic, English tenses made easy.
Ah, yes, tenses. The thing that scares so many English learners.
Yeah, and honestly, I get it. English tenses can feel, well, kind of messy.
True, but today we're gonna make them simple, super simple. Like, oh, now I get it. Simple.
Exactly. But before we get into the lesson, let's introduce ourselves, for people who are new.
Introductions. Sure. Hi, everyone. I'm Shirley. I'm from Portland, Oregon. I love teaching English, drinking too much tea, and talking way too much about cats.
And her cat's name is Mochi, by the way. Mochi is the boss of the house.
She really is. And this is Patrick, my co-host, friend, and someone who cannot stop eating cookies during recording.
Okay. Guilty. I love cookies and I love helping people speak English with confidence. I'm from Chicago. I grew up in a big, loud family, so talking is basically a sport for us.
It really is. If you talk slowly around Patrick's family, you lose.
It's true. You got to talk fast or they run over you with conversation.
About this script. So, before we go into tenses, this script is designed for you, the learner, to understand English easily, without stress.
Yes, every sentence today is slow, simple, and natural. This script helps you feel how real native speakers talk.
And we explain tenses using stories, jokes, memories, things that feel real.
Because English is not just rules. English is life, and life is stories.
Exactly. So relax, grab a drink, sit comfortably, and enjoy the conversation. So Shirley, be honest. When you were a kid, did you hate grammar?
Oh my gosh, yes. I hated grammar class. I remember looking at the board and thinking, why do we have so many tenses? Why so many rules? I just want to talk.
Same. But later, we both realized something important.
Yes, tenses are not scary when you connect them to time. If you understand time, you understand tenses.
Exactly. So today, we're going to explain tenses like this. Past equals before now. Present equals right now. Future equals after now.
And that's it. The core idea. Everything else is just details and style.
So let's get into it. Present tenses made easy. Present simple. I do.
Present simple is for things that happen all the time.
Exactly. For example, I drink coffee every morning. I work on weekdays. She studies English on weekends.
Right. It's like your routine, your habits, your daily life.
Shirley, what's one thing you do every morning?
I stretch every morning. My back is like, please help me. Yeah, I need that too, but I don't stretch. I just complain.
Present continuous. I am doing.
This tense is for things happening right now.
Like, I am talking. You are listening. She is learning English.
Exactly. And it can also mean something happening around this time.
Like, I'm reading a great book these days.
Oh yeah, what book?
It's about a detective who eats ice cream when he solves problems.
Only you would read that.
Past tenses made easy. Past simple. I did.
Past simple is for finished actions.
Like a story. Something that happened, it's done. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. I visited New York last year. I cooked dinner last night.
Okay, Shirley, tell everyone something funny from your past.
Oh, Once in high school, I tried to bake brownies, but I used salt instead of sugar.
Oh no.
My friends tried them and pretended they were fine, but their faces said, "This is pain." Past continuous. I was doing.
This tense describes an action happening at a specific time in the past.
Yes. For example, at 8 p.m., I was cooking. When you called me, I was washing dishes.
It's like taking a picture of the action in the past.
Exactly. A snapshot.
Future tenses made easy. Will. Future decisions.
Will is simple. Use it when you decide something right now.
Like, it's cold. I will wear a jacket.
I'm tired. I think I will rest.
Or, I will eat that cookie because it is looking at me.
Patrick, cookies don't look at you.
Mine do.
Going to. Plans.
Past conjures is for plans you already decided.
For example, I'm going to study after dinner. I'm going to meet my friend tomorrow.
Patrick, what are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to clean my garage. It looks like a tornado visited.
Good luck. Real stories using tenses. Shirley's story, past to present to future. Let me tell a short story using tenses smoothly. Past. When I was a kid, I loved reading. I read every night before bed. Present. Now, I still read a little every day. Future. In the future, I will probably read even more. Maybe I'll write my own book.
Oh, what kind of book?
Maybe a children's book about Mochi the cat solving mysteries.
I'd read it.
Patrick's story, past continuous and future plans. Okay, my turn. Past continuous. Last night I was cooking pasta when the power went out, so I cooked the rest using my phone's flashlight.
Oh no, that sounds like survival cooking.
It was. And now? Future. I'm going to buy emergency lights because I do not want to cook like that again.
Making tenses super simple. So let's make everything extremely easy. Remember this. Past, I did. Present, I do or I am doing. Future, I will or I am going to.
That's it. You don't need 50 rules. You just need to think about time, the moment of the action.
Yes. And when you speak English, don't think too hard. Just think, is it before now, or after now?
And if you make a mistake, it's okay. Native speakers understand you. Mistakes are part of learning.
Absolutely. I make mistakes in Spanish all the time, and people still understand me and smile.
Practice. Fun mini exercises.
Okay, learners, time to practice.
I'll say a sentence. You guess the tense.
Ready? Let's go.
Sentence 1. I eat breakfast every day.
Present simple.
Sentence 2. I am watching a movie right now.
Present continuous.
Sentence 3. I visited Japan last year.
Past simple.
Sentence 4. I was sleeping at 11 p.m.
Past continuous.
Sentence 5. I will call you tomorrow.
Future with will.
Sentence 6. I'm going to buy new shoes.
Future plan, going to.
Emotional, friendly takeaway.
You know, Shirley, every time we teach tenses, I feel proud of our listeners.
Same. Learning English takes courage. It takes patience. It's not always easy.
But you, yes, you, listening right now, you're doing the work.
And that makes you stronger every day.
English tenses may look scary, but remember, You don't need perfection. You just need practice. You're growing little by little.
Yes, and if you feel confused sometimes, that's okay. Confusion is part of learning.
Just keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep enjoying the process.
And remember, English is not about rules. English is communication. It's connection.
Final reflection.
So, what's the big lesson today?
Keep it simple. Think in time. Past, present, future.
And practice with real conversations, like this one.
And hey, be kind to yourself. Every sentence you speak makes you better.
We believe in you. Truly.
Thanks for spending time with us today. You did great.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.